Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 16th, 2024. It's going to be a beautiful day. Not too hot today. It's just going to be in the 70s. We're headed for a week of in the 90s, it looks like, and dry. So that's going to change a lot of the things that I'm going to be planning on doing. So I'm going to hold off on doing too much more work on the driveway today anyways. And one of the things I'm going to do is split some of the rounds that I cut up. So there's one of our log piles over there. A log pile there, and I did cut some rounds here probably 3 weeks ago, so I made this pile here. So I did bring out the Wolf Ridge 35 ton. It's the compact commercial one, so it has a hydraulic lift on it. It has a Honda motor. I don't remember what model number it is. It does have the electric start on it, which kind of nice. On this we have I have the 4-way splitter on here right now, and that'll probably be good for a lot of them until I get to some of the big rounds. In here I do have the 6-way, so the 6-way splitter head goes on there. Probably one of the most important tools trying to save my back are the Bahco Log Tongs. These things have really saved my back. I have the log ox. I have a couple of different things. You know, I have pickeroons and all. That tool there really does save my back. And this wolf splitter really is something else. This Pro 35C. Expensive, but it takes much less time to get the jobs done that have got to be done. It has the quick cycle time on it, so I got the and I don't remember what it's called, but so it has auto cycle. So when I go ahead and push these two levers here and I engage them, it will do a full cycle and then automatically go back, which frees me up to do the next thing or to unload the little bench here or the little place where the split firewood ends up, and then I could put them in the IBC cages here, get those stacked in there. So, and then this one here, this one controls the height of the wedge, so I can move it up out of the way if I need to. And this is the log lift right here. So really super nice and handy, much better than my old 30-ton log splitter that I had before. This thing is, I've had it for a couple of years. It works fantastic. Cuts down the amount of time that I'm working on things, and saves my back as well. And again, those log tongs, the Bahco log tongs. These are the 25-inch ones. I got this at Forestry Supply. This is my second pair. My first pair I couldn't find, so I just went ahead and ordered another pair. And I do have the, I think they're 11 or 12 inch as well. But this, for saving my back, this one here works out the best. If I need to carry something around, I will use the shorter ones, but I use it infrequently. I do have the pickeroon with me as well. It's a Fiskar pickeroon. That works well. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started now and see what I can get accomplished. If I can get 3 baskets full here, it'd be nice before it gets too warm. Well, I made a little bit of a dent in the wood pile. Got an appointment this afternoon, but I really would like to get a couple more baskets filled up. So we got two, probably just about two, because I started off with almost that amount. And I ended up putting the 6-way wedge on here to do some of the larger ones. This thing is a beast, does a great job. Fantastic. Trying to get some of these bigger rounds on there now, but maybe what I'll do, since I'm stepping over all the small ones, when I do come back, I'll put the 4-way wedge back on and go through all these, work my way up to that, so I'm not going to get hurt stepping over these ones. So, just doing some woodwork out here in the wood lot. Lots to do yet, and it's getting warm. All right, folks, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And if you have any comments about any of the equipment, just leave them below and I'll do my best to answer them. The Wolf Ridge is awesome, and certainly the Bahco or Bahco Log Tongs are fantastic as well. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye now.